Hey, yeah, you there, watching the video. I think it's gonna be a good one. Oh, I gotta go home. Okay, I'm back. Alright, let's watch the video now.
Alright, this is our last night's staying in a hotel probably. Oh, we don't have any plans yet. We'll hopefully go do some hiking and head south. I have no idea where I'm walking. This whole state smells like marijuana. Oh yeah, definitely worth it. Super foggy though. Kind of adds that mystic effect. I think it should be quite wonderful. Indubitably delicious. Coming! I just experienced my first In-N-Out burger.
In-N-Out, that's what a hamburger is all about.
I enjoyed it. We're in Monterey. We're heading south to Big Sur. We did not make any reservations for camping and everything is kind of booked. So we're going to go do some free camping. Hopefully it'll work out. Jessica's very confident over here. Just ran on top of this cliff. Driving down Highway 1 in Big Sur. Still got just under an hour to go. We're going to do what they call dispersed camping, which is basically just camping on the side of a road, finding a spot and making it your own. Jessica says no more stops. We gotta get the campsite. Gotta get the campsite. We have no campsite. I gotta stop, Jess. Look at that.
Wow.
Epic spot. Oh, there's people. Fear.
Where are we right now?
Jessica, we're on a dirt road going up a mountain trying to find a place to camp.
Okay.
Yeah, are you ready?
Alright, yeah, let's go.
Okay, nice and
Let's
steady
wait.
there,
Let me
Jess.
put my seatbelt on. Hang on to my handle right there. Do you want to put it in sport mode? Then you can.
Yeah, I don't think sport's quite what we need for this.
Straddle it. Neil, look at that.
I can't, I'm driving!
Okay, I'm gonna try to get it up actually into the yonder here. That makes sense. Whoa, dude. Wow. Thanks, man. Yeah, thank you.
Oh my goodness. Wow. We are above the clouds right now.
I see someone camped down there.
Alright, we're at officially the best campsite I've ever been to in the world. Let me give you a quick tour. Here's our tent. Here's the cliff. This is California. And here's the sunset that just went down. There we are down there, sitting and enjoying this. We had to drive up that very sketchy trail. The stars are probably going to be spectacular. So look forward to hopefully some good astrophotography, maybe a good time lapse that could come from this. I really hope so. Yeah.
I'm enjoying a breakfast of oatmeal and bananas over a beautiful mountain view.
Yeah, it is.
You can hear the ocean. Nice free campsite here.
I know.
We enjoyed the sunset last night, a beautiful array of stars, and then
An extremely bright
an
moon.
extremely bright moon.
Oh my goodness. Alright, made it into the car. We're going to try driving down this. We have to come back to this campsite tonight. We're going to go do some exploring in Big Sur. It's going to be cloudy down there. It's going to be a dangerous roll down this hill. You ready, Jess?
Ready?
Ready? All right.
On our descent from the mountain.
probably check out the falls. I don't know what else is up there. Here's our friend Alex. I never introduced you all to Alex. Alex has been very kind. We camped with him last night. He's got this sweet van. He's got all sorts of goodies in there. We appreciate Alex. All right, to the hike. All right, made it to Salmon Creek Falls here. Got our beautiful falls going up. A bit bright there. All right, here we are on, we're not on a trail. We went to go see the salmon falls, which were beautiful. And then we decided to just climb up the river because we thought it would eventually meet up with the trail. I have a feeling it's gonna be like another 2 miles up this. There's Alex, Jessica's in the back. She's putting her sandals on because we have to cross through a lot of water. It's kind of a bit treacherous. Climbing the waterfall. I was hoping not to go up that way. It was a bit sketchy. We camped that pool. All the way up the waterfall. Now we're headed up this way. I like how I'm like, yeah, it'll be fine. I haven't gone in yet. Oh, it's horrible. Jump, Jess. Do it. You got it. I'm putting my feet, okay? Ready? Yeah. Oh. The coolest thing about this trip is that we have no plans. So we just go and do whatever we want, like hike up this river. So by now you've probably seen all the footage of the jumping off the cliff and everything, but now in order to pass this section we have to wade in the water carrying everything above our heads. We're about halfway up the river right now. We've been going at it for...
It's only been like 3 hours, right?
Yeah, it's only been like 3 hours.
The video might be shaking a little bit because I'm just shivering. But it's just gorgeous here, like...
This is amazing. Here's Alex wading across. Keep coming. Alright, we've reached our next dilemma. We've come to this giant waterfall that goes all the way up. If you look here, there's some ropes climbing up this cliff to this tree. I'm all the way down here. I don't know if I can make it climbing this, but I think these ropes are for your gear. So I think if Jessica can make it up, then if she can climb up that waterfall, then we can get up there, get our gear up, and then swim across this. Because this is really deep, so we can't wade across it with our gear like we did the last one.
Wait, when you get up there, you have to make sure there's a path like in the other direction.
Why are you going that way? She just climbed all the way up this waterfall.
No, that's where the path goes. It goes around the side.
Jess, is that the quickest way?
He's not listening to us.
All right, Jess, throw the rope over the bush.
Launch it.
Launch, big throw, big throw. That was, I can get that. All right, hold that, hold there.
Neil!
You alright?
This is awesome.
Alright.
Freak me out.
It's officially 4:43. We found the trail. It's right back behind me. Hold on. Right there. There's even a sign over there that proves that I'm in the right spot. I wouldn't have traded it for anything. We had quite the life experience. And everyone survived. So now we actually have to take the real trail back. So we're gonna see what that's like. I think we have to climb up and over the mountain. We made it back to the car.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah, we made it.
It's about time.
I'm very happy to be back to the car. All right, we made it back from the crazy hike. We've had a wonderful day, and this is our campsite tonight. Look at this right here, and this is our edge. I've never seen like anything like this. Being able to just lay out here is probably like one of the best blessings of this whole trip so far. So we're gonna sit back and drink some wine and enjoy this. All right, see you in the morning.